Hi everyone, my name is Mike and welcome to Code Corpora, where we focus on delivering short, targeted, to-the-point coding tutorials. Python Enhancement Proposal 8 is the style guide for Python code. It was written by Guido van Rossum, Barry Warsaw, and Nick Coughlin in 2001 to standardize the format of Python code for a more readable and consistent coding style across Python projects. Starting with import steps, PEP8 recommends using separate import statements for each module. It's more readable this way, making it easier to track which module is being imported. When writing Python, you should include comments and docstrings. Docstrings describe what your code does and are a critical element of Python programming. The Python language has built-in support for creating multi-line string literals. These literals are often used for documentation strings, known as docstrings. They begin and end with triple quotation mark symbols. For functions and methods, PEP8 advises having a docstring right under the definition line. It typically explains what the function or method does, its parameters, and what it returns. PEP8 suggests that indentation should be used for blocks of code. Stick to using 4 spaces for each indent level. It's essential that you remain consistent with this. In Python, variable and function names should be in lowercase with words separated by underscores. This is known as snake underscore case. Class names, however, should follow the upper camel case convention, often referred to as Pascal case. Constants are usually declared and assigned on a module level and written in uppercase, with underscores separating words. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. It helps us know we are making valuable content and helps support the channel. Happy coding!